Hey students, welcome to part 3 of the review. So I already went over solving systems using matrices and writing systems from word problems. So in the back of your review, you had also practiced on graphing inequalities. So just check the video of graphing inequalities out to review that. But I do want to go over how to write inequalities for those of you who need some review or explanation again of how to do this. So this part of inequalities is just pretty much like systems of equations. You, instead of writing an equal sign, you have to think about the inequality symbol that will work best with the scenario. So same strategy, read the paragraph, analyze, underline some important information. So Patrick is buying the pizza and cookies for a party. Pizza and cookies. Pizzas cost $9, so there's a price for one of them, and cookies cost $5, so there's a price for the other. Patrick wants to spend no more, so keyword right there, no more than $50, but would like to buy to have at least 5 times as many cookies as pizza. That's supposed to be an S. So here, it's just pretty much asking for a system of two inequalities. That means maybe it's just two variables that are being used compared to what we were doing. Also, if you read the question, it says write a system of inequalities to show possible combinations of pizza and cookies. So they're literally telling you that there's only two variables, pizza and cookies. We have money for each and a total of money that we want to spend. So we're going to write it with money. So $9 per pizza, 9x, plus $5 per cookie, 5y. And then you want to show that this combination is going to be no more than $50. So if it's no more, we need to consider if it's more than or less than. So obviously no more than means no more, which means we have to have less. So we're looking at less than or equal to. If we do less than, that means we cannot have $50. If we do less than or equal to, it means we could have up to $50. So if you're gonna spend no more than $50, can you spend the $50? Yes, you can. So that means you're gonna have less than or equal to 50. So that would be the inequality for that one. The next one will be if you have to have at least 5 times as many cookies as pizza, you need to consider where that 5 goes. 5 times as many cookies as pizza. One slice of pizza means that you're going to have 5 cookies for that one pizza. So are you going to multiply 5 times the number 1 or 5 times the 5? So it will be 5 times the amount of pizza. So the pizza is x, so we're going to do 5x. The cookies are going to be at least 5 times as many based on the pizza. So we have to say that it's more than or less than. At least means we have to have more than that. So we're going to say that this amount, whatever this is, that will be your amount of cookies. Cookies have to be more than, so greater than or equal to. I don't know why I put C, sorry. It's the letter Y for cookies. So Y is greater than or equal to 5x because you need to have more than that. Okay? So just, again, reread, analyze as much as needed. Let's try another example. So Jonah needs to buy at least 20 candles for a teacher and staff appreciation gifts. The small candles cost $50 and the large candles cost $5. He has at most $80 to spend. So once again, money with money. $5 through 50, 80. So small candles is X, large candles is Y. So we're going to do 3.50x plus 5.00y. And that has to be at most. No more than that. That's the amount of money you want to spend the most. So it has to be less than or equal to 80. The next one has to be by at least 20 candles. So if you want to buy at least 20 candles, you have to have more. Okay, so you have to have more than 20. So X plus Y, whatever amount of candles you buy for each, it has to be at least 20. So it's going to be more than 20. Could it be 20? Yes, because it has to be at least 20. So that's how you'll write inequalities for a system. An inequality is given a word problem.